In this short tutorial, I will show you how to update WhatsApp on your iPhone. Keeping your WhatsApp up to date is important for getting the latest features and security updates. To get started, open up the Apple App Store, tap on the search bar at the top, and search for WhatsApp. After that, tap and select the WhatsApp Messenger app from the search results. To update WhatsApp on your iPhone, simply tap on the Update button over here. Updating WhatsApp to the latest version is important for maintaining security and accessing new features. These updates often include critical security patches that protect users from potential vulnerabilities and cyber threats, enhancing the overall safety of communication. Moreover, staying updated ensures access to improved performance, bug fixes, and new functionalities, ultimately enhancing the user experience. Keeping WhatsApp up to date enables users to leverage the latest tools and capabilities for seamless communication. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.